Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blocky from Battle for Dream Island. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a large square shape for the front of the body. Now top up, and from the top left, let's angle it over to the right. And another angle up from the other corner. And let's connect it with a line across at the top. Now top down to the bottom right, and let's draw an angle up. And a line down to close off the body. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And color these both in black. Then on top, let's draw a line across to the right side. And another one underneath to thicken it up. Now top underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath on the left, and let's draw a curve over and curve it up to the right. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. On the left, let's draw 2 lines down. And the same thing on the right side. And then let's add a circular curve around underneath. And color these both in black. Now top underneath and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 lines down on the left and the right. And then the inside line, let's bring it down slightly longer. And then for the foot, let's curve it out and back in. And then color these both in black. And that's it for Blocky. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!